What if you fell into a black hole? No rescue, no escape. Only the most extreme forces in the universe, waiting. At first, it would feel strangely calm. You would drift closer, floating, weightless, silent. The stars behind you would start to fade. The world would narrow down to a single impossible point. Singularity. As you approach the event horizon, the point of no return, gravity grows monstrous, stronger than anything you can comprehend, stronger than anything your body could survive. Your feet would feel a pull millions of times stronger than your head. You would stretch, longer, thinner, until you became a stream of atoms, drawn into an endless fall. Spaghettification. Beyond this boundary, time itself begins to warp. To an outside observer, you would seem frozen, forever clinging to the edge. But to you, time would rush forward, unstoppable. Inside, the laws of physics collapse. Matter twists, energy fractures, reality unravels. Nothing, not light, not information, not hope, can ever escape. Yet some believe this is not an end. It's a doorway, deep within the singularity, where density becomes infinite and dimensions break. Some theories say a new universe could be born, a bridge, a passage, a rebirth. Maybe the black hole leads not to destruction, but to creation. A big bang on the other side. Maybe falling into a black hole isn't the final chapter. Maybe it's the first page of an entirely new story. A story written among the stars and scattered across the endless dark.